Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0225S in color code 005. It's a gold color frame. It has a green, pink, and purple detailing on the side of the temples, and at the end it's gold with a double GG logo as well for the side. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are an orange color. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.